Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss very important topic Node.js modules. So we'll be discussing about what is a module in Node.js, how a module is used, and what are the different types of modules that are being used in Node.js. We'll be discussing this with the help of a program, and we will also discuss how you can create your custom module and use in your program. So we'll be discussing everything that is related to module, because module is a very important topic in Node.js. Without module you cannot do any app in Node.js. So for implementing any app you need a module, and you include that module and then start the coding. So let us discuss this everything. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button so that you can get important updates whenever a new video is uploaded on the channel. First thing, what is a module? Module are basically JavaScript libraries. You can also say that these are the collection of different functions, and these modules are used for different purpose. If you want to use any module in Node, you have to install that particular module using npm, and the syntax is very simple. In Node, whatever module you want to install, you have to write npm install. Npm is the Node package manager that is responsible for installing any package in the Node app. Now if we talk about Node, as I told you that it contains different types of functions that you can use in your program. Types of module, I can give you some examples of module like HTTP module. If you are going to create a client server interaction, we go for this HTTP module. In order to include this module in your program, the syntax is require and then name of the module. Then we have FS module, that is file system module. If you want to read a file, write a file, open a file, close a file, for all the file related operations we use FS module, file system module. Then we have URL module. In order to parse a URL, in order to get the URL, so everything that is related to URL and client servers interaction, we use URL module. Then if you want to send email from the app or from the application, we use the node mailer module. Then another is the formidable module that is used to whenever we are going to upload any file. So as you can see, everything that is done inside Node is done with the help of module. So these module contains different types of functions that you can use directly instead of recoding everything from the scratch. Now how to use a module? As I said that before using a module, first thing is it needs to be installed. For installing, the command is npm install and then name of the module. Okay, so this is the first module. So in order to use a module, you have to include. In order to include, the command is require and then name of the module, and it is assigned to a variable. It's very simple. Now this variable is responsible for doing everything, because we have already assigned this particular module to this variable. So because this is an HTTP module, so it will be used in creating server. It is used in client server interaction. So http.create server, then there will be a function, and since it is client server, so we have request and response. Now this particular server will be sending response to the browser, or you can also create a client. So we will be describing the content type and then the response that it needs to send. In this case we have just used hello world, and important thing is a port, the port that is not busy. So you need to mention here so that the server can listen to that particular port. You can 8080, 8081, any port that you will be mentioning here. On that browser you will be writing localhost, then the port, and then this particular information will be displayed. Now one thing that we have discussed is how you can use the already created module in Node. Another thing is you can also create your own module. In order to create your own module, you use exports keyword, and you can create a new file and you can put your function in that, like this exports.new function. This is the name of the function, new function, and then you can put anything, any logic in that. Save the file. Now this is a custom module that you have created. In order to use that, again require, just like you have done in earlier already created module. In this case, because it is in a file, so you will say require and name of the file, and again you are creating the server, and you can use, since it is assigned to this variable, so dt and name of the function new function, so it will be giving you the date time. So it's very simple. You have to just include that particular file, and since you have used exports means you can access that particular function outside the file also, so you can directly call that particular function using this dt variable. And again listen the port number, so you can assign any port number. So friends, this was all about modules, how you can create your own module and use that module, and how you can use the existing module that are created in the node.js, and what are the uses of module, and we have discussed the already existing modules of different type. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.